channel, guys. Happy people, what's going on? Wagwan, Cowfoot and bean with some pumpkin rice, and also I'm gonna be doing some steamed veg, and I'm also gonna be blending some fruit today, so stay tuned, guys. This is all the fruits that I'm gonna be using for my blended fruit. So I have my garden cherry with just a little bit of ginger in it. I don't want to use too much because the ginger is really strong. So, and I also have my cucumber right here. That's one cucumber and half side of pine, and also just the same half side of cantaloupe. So I'm gonna blend the cucumber first, the pineapple and the cantaloupe first, because the blender can't hold everything one time. So this is the garden cherry, guys. So I'm gonna blend this part. My blended fruit, which is made from cantaloupe, pineapple, garden cherry, and also cucumber. So I'm gonna use just a little splash of lime juice, guys. And also 2 spoons of sugar. So you don't want it too sweet now, just need it to just be refreshing. Guys, so I'm going to take out my Cowfoot. I'm going to be, so it's 2 pounds of Cowfoot. Time to season up my Cowfoot, happy people. I have my scallion, 1 white onion, 3 stalks of scallion, some thyme, and also some garlic, and I'm gonna drop 1 Scotch bonnet pepper in. Some pimento seed, 2 spoons of my magic season, guys, which is my Maggi all-purpose season. I'm also going to add just a little bit of browning, and the browning is just to give the meat a little bit of color, guys. Okay, so this is the final preparation of the Cowfoot, guys. So I'm gonna put my Cowfoot to marinate for roughly 1 hour so it can soak in the season, guys. So I'm waiting on the pressure cooker to hot now. I'm just chopping a little piece of ginger in the pot. I'm going to throw my Cowfoot over. guys, the aroma of the scallion and the onion and the pepper is really amazing. Oh. Cowfoot for dinner and pumpkin rice, some steamed vegetables. I just finished store my cowfoot. Now I'm adding the water in. I'm going to be covering the pressure cooker. And the reason why I'm giving the cowfoot 20 minutes to pressure, just to check on it and see, because I don't want the water to dry out and the cowfoot burn. Neither do I don't want the cowfoot to overcook. So see you in 20 minutes, guys. Guys, can you hear that? That's my cowfoot pressuring. Can't wait to show you the final touch of my cowfoot. Guys, I'm going to check on my water. This is for my pumpkin rice. So, this is the pumpkin, okay? What are you all doing today? What are you guys cooking? That is my scallion and my tongue. Also 2 spoons of butter for my pumpkin rice and 1 spoon of salt for my rice. Meanwhile, the pressure cooker is still here making a lot of noise. I hope you guys can hear the pressure cooker making this loud noise. This is my pumpkin rice. I'm trying to record as much, I'm trying to show you guys as much, but because of the pressure cooker making a lot of noise, so my rice is in now, coming along good. I'm just going to turn down the stove a little bit. So guys, my cowfoot done cooked now. Just exchanging it from the pressure cooker pot to another pot. So this is my pumpkin rice, real shelly. And this is my cowfoot. I'm going to be putting in some small dumpling in the cowfoot now. And this is the dumpling that I'm going to be putting in the cowfoot. So I'm going to make them and put them in. And guys, just bear with me because I'm using my phone and it's not really easy to show you guys everything when I'm doing it by myself with the phone. So it's not my intention to cut out some of what I'm doing. And these are my small little dumpling in my cowfoot, guys. My small little dumpling. Cowfoot looking good, guys. Trust me on that one. This is the season for my cowfoot that I'm going to be putting in my cowfoot. I have 1 carrot, 1 bell pepper, 1 Irish potato, 2 tomato, 1 onion, 3 stalks of scallion. So this is all my vegetable, which is my tomato and stuff, and my cowfoot. So I'm just giving it small stir. Guys, this is my cowfoot. This is how it's looking now with the vegetable and stuff in it. So I'm also going to be adding my butter bean in my cowfoot. So I'm adding in the ketchup into the Cowfoot. Guys, it's Cowfoot. Oh my, look at it. So I'm going to be steaming my vegetable now. So I'm going to be steaming my vegetable. So I'm adding roughly 2 teaspoons of butter. Waiting on the butter to melt. And my vegetable is cabbage, carrot, string bean, bell pepper. This is my steamed vegetable. So I'm going to add them in now for them to steam just a little bit. Don't want them to overcook either. So giving them a little stir. Going to drop just a little bit of water just to steam them. Remember, you don't want to overcook your veg. I'm going to turn on the stove. Guys, this is my Cowfoot with bean and steamed vegetable and pumpkin rice, and also my blended fruit. So we reached to the end of the video now. If you like this video, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.